Surprise! We emptied hundreds of boxes, just like this one, for your students. This was our response to the COVID pandemic, when things were seeming like education is simply going to be on a computer screen. We at STEMTaught wanted to make sure that hands-on did not stop.
Yeah, so 2 kids in your class helped make these kits. That's pretty cool. You guys are all looking at your stuff. Do you know what we're gonna do today?
So why in the world would we do that? We did it because our mission is to make sure that these students have excellent hands-on supplies, and those supplies inspire their excitement for learning.
So I want everybody to pull out the kit that has the yeast desk.
We've been working with classes the past 2 weeks with their kits, and you would not believe the excitement level that we are seeing. Students will get on their Zoom call and they'll be showing us their kits, and then they'll be calling out to their parents, "Mom, I'm starting science." They're just so excited.
We got all of our important science tools here because we're gonna use all of them.
So
I organized mine, so I know where mine are.
We have lots of STEM tools that we're giving them. So, you know, for many students, they might have never held a thermometer before, and now they get their own therma. And we hope that this blesses the lives of your students. It was about a 2-month effort to build these 10,000 science kits. And like I said, so many beautiful volunteers. We had homes, we had deliveries to homes, and people would pack them there. We had kids that would come with their families. We also had a wonderful effort from the service missionaries. We're so grateful for their help. They sent multiple volunteers over every day for the ending couple weeks of the project. And all those people coming from the community to bring this goodness to your students is quite exciting. Another important part of this kit being successful is that it is already prompted in your STEMTaught journal. So you'll have the experiments laid out for you, and you know, since we're not at school, they have their own kits.
Sweet, so then what you're gonna do if you have the glue mixture and the powder, these are very different. One's a liquid, one's a powder. We're going to combine them and see what happens.
And it has the instructions on the things they'll need, the things that they'll do, and they'll get to design experiments and record data. And so as a teacher, you've got the power to run these labs because we've built out the prompts in your STEMTaught journal. Every kit has wonderful little experiences in it. Just remember all of the love that went into packing these, and occasionally you might have a student that doesn't have any pinto beans, but they might have corn and wheat. Just remember that might be because a sweet little kindergartner like Gracie was excited to help at the STEMTaught Foundation that night, and we told her, good job. We tried as hard as we could to make sure all the kids had what they needed.